In this video, I'm going to teach you how to build a great pitch. The process is quite simple. The initial state, you've got some product or company you want to start, you're excited about it. Very near the beginning of it, you're going to have to start pitching your idea. So step one, you create the pitch. Step two, you deliver the pitch with all the enthusiasm and good communication skills you can muster. Step three, you reflect. And in step one, you loop back and improve this. And in general, you're going to have to do this over and over because the goal state is when you no longer need to give the pitch. And that can be years after the company has started. Now, the idea here is to build one pitch that you use for all contexts, all stakeholders, and keep improving that so you're not constantly having to rethink your pitch. Here's how that works. This shows the elements of the pitch. The topics are in this column, the content here, and then who is presented with this content here. And a pitch has anywhere from about 10 to 12 topics. And in this table I've shown 4. For example, this fourth topic here is the business model. And what you do in this part of the pitch is you explain how you will make money. And the idea of a business model is who has money in their pockets and how are you going to get that money out of their pockets and into the pockets of your business. And you want this to be really short, about 10 words, and you want it to look like a very common existing business model. So there's what you do. And when you're presenting to an investor, they're going to definitely want to know what your business model is. A customer, you would not want to present them with your business model. If you talk to them about how you're making money off them, they may very well be offended. A team member, depending on what their role is, possibly you could explain the business model. And what I've gone ahead and done is created an Excel spreadsheet with this same information in it. And so you can just go ahead and fill it in. And let's look at that next. Alright, we're looking at the Excel spreadsheet. This column labeled slide or topic lists title, problem, solution, etc. This column labeled description tells what you need to do, and then our content, you just go ahead and type in the information for your technology company. So for example, here type in your organization name, your contact information. Under problem, what pain are you eliminating? And you want to get everyone that's listening to this pitch nodding and buying in. And you want to really personalize that and make your emotions shine out. And in this column, tell them about your solution. And concurrent with this, you might be starting to create your PowerPoint or keynote presentation. But here is where you're doing your thinking and putting all your ideas in here. We've talked about business models. On your partnership model, explain how you would bring people into your company. How would that work? What would be in it for them? What would be expected of them? This topic, underlying magic, I love that language from Guy Kawasaki. Describe the technology, secret sauce, or magic behind your product. The demo for a technology company is critical. Before you really make a major pitch, you have to have something to show people. People cannot visualize ideas. They need to see a working prototype. Marketing and sales column, add your information here. The competitive analysis is very important when you're pitching for venture capital. Who are you going to be competing with? The team, likewise, is very important. And investors, as well as people who might want to join you, want to understand that you are on top of your project management. You have a great team in place. Financials, obviously critical, important. Status, what have you got to date? Where are you at? What's your schedule? And in your close, what you really want to do is tell people specifically what you want them to do. What are you looking for them to do? And don't be real vague about this, but still do this in a very soft way. So this is the Excel pitch template, and go ahead and fill this out and get started, and I hope you have a great time creating your pitch.